Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's your girl Day, and I'm here to give you an update on my hair. For those of you who do not know, or if it's your first time watching me, welcome to the channel. Hit the subscribe button if you want, hit the like button if you want, comment if you want. I can't make you do nothing that you don't want to do, but I would really appreciate it if you come talk to me and subscribe to my channel. Girl, come on, let's do it. But today I'm here to talk to you about my hair, and if you did not know, I have interlocks in my hair. If you don't know what interlocks are, or if you can't find any videos on interlocks, just look up sister locks, because it's the same method. My parts are just bigger. So I was supposed to do a 1 month update, and I was supposed to do a vlog of when I got them done, but neither one of those happened. But this video is happening because, as you can see, yeah, it's happening. And so I'm gonna talk a little bit about it, then I'll give y'all an update on everything that's been happening over the past 2 months. When I got my hair done, it took 14 hours. Yes, 14 hours to do everything. It sounds like a long time. It really wasn't that bad. We started at noon and ended at like 2 in the morning, and that was fine because it was done. I didn't have to come back the next day, and my hair is kind of like, I don't have to worry about my hair anymore unless I need to retighten. But yes, it took 14 hours, didn't hurt, and I've asked other people who have sister locks, they were tender-headed. I'm a little tender-headed just at the top, and it didn't even hurt there. It's just, she might pull your hair a little bit because they're going up and down, putting knots in your hair, and this might be a little tender from having your hair pulled each and every way, because it was 14 hours basically getting your hair pulled. Not hard, but you know, because they're manipulating it. So it doesn't hurt or anything. It takes a longer time, but the benefit of having interlocks is that you can wash your hair as soon as you want, and that's exactly what I did. Because when I got out of the chair, I didn't like my hair. I didn't like it because I like really big hair and full hair. Like, my hair isn't even big how I like my hair to be. Like, it's bigger than it was. It still has to swell out some more, but it looked like I had dental floss coming out of my head in each little spot of my half-inch parts. Looks like I have half-inch and then a little itty-bitty string of dental floss coming out of each part, and I was like, what the heck? But then I had to take into consideration that I had been sitting in the chair for 14 hours. I have oily skin, so I looked disgusting. I looked like a greasy, deep-fried McDonald's chicken nugget. I looked disgusting. And it was just, I mean, I sat there for 14 hours and my hair has locks in it now. Each strand of my hair is locked. There's nothing I can do about this. I'm not gonna come out and I'm not cutting my hair off, so we're just gonna have to adapt to it. So I went home, went to sleep because it's like 3 in the morning at this point by the time I get home and get settled. The next morning, I washed my hair, okay? Mom was like, do not wash your hair's gonna get frizzy. And I'm just like, I have locks in my hair. Do you think I'm about to complain about my hair being frizzy? Because, like, duh. She doesn't like frizzy hair. I know frizzy hair can result with big hair, and that was fine. I just didn't want to look like I had dental floss coming out of my head because I wanted to look cute, okay? So I washed my hair, and when you have interlocks, because they can slip, like if they get too much water in it, it can slip. So like around your edges and stuff, you have to be really, 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 really careful. I'm paranoid still outside. I'm paranoid because it's dark in here right now, and it's the only light I got on. But yeah. So when you wash your hair, you have to braid and band it. So you can't take big sections. So you can take like a small section like this, and then you braid it down to like where your curly hair start, like the loose curl part. You braid to there, then you flip it up, you put a little rubber band around it, and then you do that to your whole head, and then that's how you wash. And that's what I did. Then my hair swelled up like crazy. I was like, wow. It wasn't even swelled up this much. It swells a little bit every time I spray it with some rose water, but it swelled up so much, and I actually like my hair at that point. So throughout the first month, I didn't really experience a lot. Like, I wouldn't expect to experience a lot, except it getting bigger and fluffier and more frizzier. And then like the ends of my hair, a few of them, they're like locked. They're like hard and everything, and just the ends. Not even like, you see how this whole thing like right here is a curl, so I will still have the curl, but this little piece right here will be hard and dense and butted. And I experienced that like in my first week. It was like crazy crazy, but you know, it was exciting because you know your hair's doing stuff. You get excited when things is doing what they're supposed to do. And yeah, so that happened and my hair was frizzy, but I didn't care. Like, you can't be mad that your locks are going to be frizzy because any lock video that you watch, they tell you your hair's gonna frizz up. So if you're gonna complain about your hair getting frizzy, just click off the videos, stop looking at vlogs, because I don't know what to tell you, okay? It's gonna take about a year or so for your hair not to get frizzy, and your hair starts off frizzy. First time you wash your hair, honey, frizz, 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 but I don't care, that's fine with me. What else happened? And I had dingleberries a lot. You don't know what a dingleberry is? It's like when a little ball of your hair will be all the way, like right here, just hanging on all of them. Sometimes they will fall off, which is fine because you know your hair sheds and everything. And that's how your hair locks, is the little hairs that shed get tangled in there or whatever. So some of those, they will fall off, and then some of them will find their way back, and that's how the ends of my locks are getting so hard. But a lot of people think that you're not supposed to like touch your hair. My mom's always like, because she has sister locks, my mom, she's like, stop touching your hair, you're gonna mess it up and da 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 da. But the more I play with my hair, the more that it did. I didn't like play with my edges or anything because I knew that they were like delicate, and she snatched my baby hairs and everything. So I got really, really short ones and everything. And I wasn't playing with those, but like just showing my hair love and just playing with it, letting it know that mama is here and for you and always loves you, just giving them affection. That's how I got my dingleberries, and that's how the middle of my head, I have like denser locks. They're not as soft and squishy and coiled at the ends. They're more fuzzy and kind of button and stuff. And I think that's from showing love because I really play with the middle of my head, and that's where it's happening. It's not happening in the crown, you know. Yeah, and then at the 6 weeks point, I had my first retightening. Didn't take long at all. Took about like an hour and a half at max. It didn't take anything. I signed up for, I scheduled a 5 a.m. appointment because I thought it was going to take really, really long because it took forever to do my hair. And I was very upset about it, but that's besides the point. So retightening is a quick process. I think I watched an episode and a half of Jane the Virgin on Netflix and I was done. No, yeah, like 2 episodes, and that was it. And what else happened? That's all I've really been seeing. Ain't nothing else really happened. I get slippage in the front when I wash. They say to wash every week, but I don't be wanting to braid and band, so I don't do that. I wash when my scalp starts getting itchy, which is like every 3 weeks or so, and then I wash it. And the only thing I put in my hair is rose water. I have a water bottle. You can have like a spray bottle, or you can have a little misting bottle. Either one. All I do is put rose water on my hair. I don't put anything on my hair. When she retightens my hair, she don't put anything on my hair. She doesn't even wet it. Does she? I don't know. I only went there once to get a retighten. I don't think so. Yeah, that's all I put on my hair is rose water. My hair isn't dry, which is crazy to me because all I'm putting is rose water on my hair. My hair is soft, it's moisturized, and it moves and everything. So with my experience so far, I don't regret anything. The only thing I don't like is the shrinkage. But like, I knew that was gonna happen because my natural hair shrinks a lot. But this is kind of rude because like, do you see how long my hair is? Do you see that? My hair is not short. This is rude to me. Do you see that? This is rude. Just rude, okay? It's just very, very rude how long. It goes past my collarbone. And I look like a little boy. So that's the only thing I don't like. But to make it look less like a little boy, I simply just throw half of it at. I just sprayed it because I got out of the shower, so I'm letting it dry. Oh, the one thing about your hair is if you put like a chongo or a scrunchie or something in your hair, it's gonna stay in that position. That like blew my mind because like I put my hair half up and then I take the thing out and it's in the exact same position. I look like I have a pineapple top on top of my head. But other than the shrinkage, I don't have any complaints. I love my hair. I can just get up and go. I'm just gonna even go. And that's the greatest thing about it, because I like to sleep, and I sleep until the last possible minute. So I ain't gotta do my hair, I ain't gotta slap a wig on, I ain't gotta worry about no baby hairs. I'm not doing my baby hairs because I don't want any product in my edges, because they slip when they get wet or when I try to wash them, because it's hard to braid and band hairs when they're that tiny, when they're baby hairs and edges. So they slip, and that's fine. That's fine with me. That's fine. So yeah, that's a little update. Will I do the lock tag? Let me see if I can find some questions real quick. Do you remember the specific moment you decided that you were going to lock your hair? Where were you and how did you feel? When I decided I was gonna lock my hair is when my mom locked her hair. Cause I was like, why not? Why not? Cause I usually when I had loose natural hair, I would just have braids, or I would slap on a wig. So my hair was always covered, and my hair can still be covered. Like my mom, she rocked cornrows and all types of stuff all the time. So if I want my hair braided, I'm gonna get my hair braided. If I want to slap on a wig, I can still slap on a wig. So it's not like any of that change. Cause I knew like if I didn't like my hair, that's what I was gonna do anyway. Where was I? I was in my room. And how did you feel? I felt normal. I don't really trip over my hair like that. As long as something is done to it, we fine. But the first time I considered having locks when I was in high school, but one of my friends had locks, and I went to a very, very, very petty high school, and I knew that if I got locks, it was gonna be this big deal that I was trying to be like her. So I just kind of pushed it to the side. And then when my mom was like, oh, I'm getting sister locks, I was like, okay, it's my time to. What method, if any, did you use to start your locks? I got interlocks, sister locks, interlocks. Mine is bigger. How old are your locks? My locks are 2 months old. What is the length of your longest lock and shortest? My shortest lock is like this, because it's a baby hair lock. It's right here. She's very cute. You see her? She's very, very precious. She used to be smaller because she combined some in the front because they were slipping too much when my hair got wet. So she used to be smaller, but that's my little baby lock. And then my longest lock is the little one that I just showed y'all, if I can find her. So that's not her. Where are you? Oh, where is she? Y'all saw her. This her? Yeah, this is her. I mean, she don't stay like that. And she's there, she's like that, but that's the longest one I have when you stretch it. But she's short just like the rest of them when she's dry. Do you have any locks that are especially unique, strange, or awesome? There's one in the middle of my head. She hides like something crazy. But she's like kind of dense. I can't find her right now. I shouldn't have wet my hair. But the ones in the middle, they're just like really special because they're like really dense. Like they doing a damn thing, you know. They're handling their business because I love them and I touch them a lot. I feel it's because I touch them a lot. How often do you wash your locks? About every 3 weeks. Or whenever my head starts itching is when I wash my locks, because I can't stand an itchy scalp, because I'm not about to be out here scratching, because that means my scalp is probably dry, and I'm not about to be out here with dandruff flakes looking like I got Parmesan on top of my head. You got me messed up. Do you do any regular maintenance on your locks? No, not right now. I wash my locks and then I get my retightenings every 10 to 12 weeks now. So yeah. If you could start a new set of locks, would you do anything different? No. I like my size and everything. I like the method I did it, so I can wash my hair and stuff. I'm good. How many people do you know personally with locks? I know me, my mom, my cousin Tahira, Lindsay, Shanti, J Maria, David, Jazz, Nick. Oh crap, it's me. Okay, I ran out of fingers. Okay. Have any employers turned you down for having locks? No. Do you have any lock role models? If so, who? Look, Valerie Crab. Look, girl, I love me some you. And she hasn't been locked for a long time. I think she's a little bit over a year. Oh my God. She's my lock crush because I can aspire to that. Her locks are so freaking pretty. She has a YouTube. I found her on Instagram, and then one day she just popped up on YouTube, and I got so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Valerie Crab. Like, I sound like this whole fangirl, but her hair is immaculate. See, look, my hair is drying. I'm starting to look like a little boy. You can't. I can't. Okay. Bam. Little poof poof. Oh, I look a little bit better. Look, I got a little bun on my head. Yeah. Yeah. I feel like a little pineapple. What else? Are there any more questions? What locked YouTubers can you see yourself hanging out in real life? Probably Lynn, because I have Lynn's life. And then probably Daisy. That's it. And it says, who are you gonna tag? I'm gonna tag Lynn because she has a YouTube, and I'm gonna tag Shanti because she's contemplating making a YouTube, and now that I've tagged her, she has to do it. Okay, and that's all I have to say. That's it. So, if you liked the video, like, comment, and subscribe. If you didn't, comment and tell me you didn't like it. But don't be mean, because that's rude. But yeah, it's just real chill over here. Got my locks. Not much has happened. If something crazy happens, like if I wake up and some crazy shit happen, best believe I'm gonna come on here hiding like somebody crazy. Yeah, it's late, so I'm not really energetic, but that's okay, because I need to give y'all this update because I've been sitting in the bed all day saying I need to do this update, and I didn't get up until 9 p.m. So, yeah, I hope y'all liked the video. If you have any more questions or anything, feel free to ask me. I got my hair done in San Antonio, so if you want my sister loctician's information, hit me up. I will give it to you. She's also a makeup artist, so if you need to hook up on that in San Antonio too, I'll help you with that too. Okay, so just hit me up. I'm really nice all the time. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll catch y'all later. Peace. Bye.